I read somewhere that the item that has been ordered the most during quarantine is a spicy chicken sandwich. So I decided, let's make one. First thing we need to do is fillet our chicken breast so that we can prepare our chicken slices for our sandwich. I'm gonna get rid of all this fatty stuff. We're gonna start cutting from the fat end. So, cut it about this thickness. I'm now going to place that cut chicken breast between two pieces of plastic wrap. And I'm going to flatten it a little bit with my mallet. Don't destroy it. We just want it to get a little flatter. I'm gonna cut this in 3 pieces. You're only gonna need this part of the video if you can't find buttermilk. I'm just gonna show you how to make a substitute. We're gonna add a tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice into a cup measurement. And now we're just gonna complete it to the 1 cup measurement with milk. And we're not gonna touch it. We're not stirring it. We're doing nothing with it. We're gonna let it be for about 5 minutes and you'll see the milk starting to curdle. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. Use white, regular sea salt, whatever salt you have is fine. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add some habanero sauce to this, just a little bit, because I want my sandwich to be spicy. If you don't, please skip this, okay? So just a bit. Mix that in well. And we're going to put our chicken inside. We're going to cover this and let this brine for a minimum of 30 minutes. Or better even overnight. So I'm gonna prepare the sauce for my spicy sandwich. By the way, you can just do plain mayo if you would like. Got about a tablespoon of mayo in here. I'll put about a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika in here. A couple dashes of habanero, optional. All right, we'll set that aside. Let's get our flour ready for our chicken. I have a cup of flour in here. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried chilies. You can use cayenne if you have it, or nothing if you don't want it to be that spicy. And about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna mix that well. So we're going to mix an egg with about 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Let's get our chicken ready to fry. We'll take the chicken out of the buttermilk. I want you to get rid of that buttermilk, okay? We're going to cover our chicken in flour. We're going to shake it. Then we're going to put it in our egg and into the flour again. This is gonna give us a nice, crispy chicken. Now we're gonna put it into the hot oil. It is important that the oil you're using be very hot. Otherwise, your chicken is gonna boil in it and be horrible. So I'm gonna put a tip of the chicken in there, and if it sizzles, it's ready. That's ready. We do need to make sure that we cook that chicken all the way through. You do not want to eat raw chicken. But look how nice that crust is getting. This is going to take you 8 to 10 minutes, guys. Be patient, okay? All right, this one is ready. I'm going to put it on a paper towel lined plate. And we continue cooking our chicken. We have 3 beautiful pieces of fried chicken. If you're not certain that your chicken cooked, you can put a meat thermometer in there and it should register 165 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so now we're gonna get our bun ready. I'm using brioche. I'm going to spread some softened butter on each side. And we're going to grill it on a hot skillet. We're just gonna let that get nice and browned inside and we're done. Let's assemble our sandwich. Put sauce, chicken, dill pickles, more sauce. And there you go. Let's taste this humongous sandwich. Super crispy. Chicken is cooked through. Very, very nice. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a like. Share it with your friends. If you haven't subbed, please sub and turn on your notification buttons. If you're subbed and don't have those on, please turn them on. That way you'll know when there's new videos. I'll see you soon.